Hello dear viewers, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Dear viewers, get ready for outstanding and new type of crochet tops. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet tops, crochet sweaters. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for your crocheting. Dear viewers, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also. And don't forget to share and like the video so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Crochet tops are not only stylish but also offer a variety of benefits. Here are some advantages of wearing and using crochet tops. The first and the main one is breathability. Crochet allows air to circulate, making it comfortable in warm weather. Unique style. Each piece can be customized, ensuring a unique look. Versatility. Can be dressed up or down for various occasions. Lightweight. Ideal for layering without adding bulk. Comfortable fit. Stretchy and adaptable to different body types. Easy to care for. Generally machine washable or easy to hand wash. Sustainable. Often made for natural or eco-friendly materials. Durability. Well-made crochet can last for years. Timeless appeal. A classic look that never goes out of style. Crafting opportunity. Great for those who enjoy dye projects. Color variety. Available in a wide range of color and patterns. Cultural significance. Reflects traditional craftsmanship from various cultures. Comfort in movement. Allows for ease of movement without restrictions. Layering options. Pairs well with tanks, tees or dresses. With the happy ending today's video, hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart and unique ideas. Dear viewers, keep in touch with our videos and get more and new outstanding ideas for crocheting. Soft texture. Generally feels good against the skin. Community sport. Buying handmade sports, local artisans and small businesses. Thank you for watching our videos. Bye bye.